Exercise is considered an essential component of weight loss for several reasons. Calorie burning. Engaging in physical activity helps burn calories. When you exercise, your body requires energy to fuel the activity, and this energy is sourced from the calories stored in your body, including fat. Regular exercise increases your overall energy expenditure, creating a calorie deficit that can lead to weight loss. Increased metabolism. Regular exercise can boost your metabolism, both during and after the activity. Intense workouts or strength training can increase muscle mass, which requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue. As a result, your resting metabolic rate, the number of calories burned at rest, may increase, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Fat loss and muscle maintenance. Weight loss should ideally target fat loss rather than muscle loss. When you reduce calorie intake without exercise, your body may burn both fat and muscle for energy. However, incorporating exercise into your weight loss routine helps preserve muscle mass while primarily targeting fat stores for energy expenditure. Appetite regulation. Exercise can help regulate appetite and control food cravings. Physical activity stimulates the production of hormones such as endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress and emotional eating. It can also influence appetite-regulating hormones, leading to a better balance between energy intake and expenditure. Overall health benefits. Exercise offers numerous health benefits beyond weight loss. Regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health, increases muscle strength and endurance, enhances bone density, boosts immune function, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. These benefits contribute to an overall healthier lifestyle and better weight management. Exercise offers numerous benefits for both physical and mental well-being. Here are some key benefits of regular exercise. Weight management. Exercise helps with weight loss by burning calories and increasing energy expenditure. It can also help maintain a healthy weight by preserving muscle mass and boosting metabolism. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Increased muscle strength and endurance. Exercise, particularly strength training, promotes muscle growth, strength, and endurance. It improves overall physical performance and reduces the risk of injuries. Enhanced bone density. Weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, running, or weightlifting, stimulate the bones to become stronger and denser. This reduces the risk of osteoporosis and improves bone health. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise has been linked to a lower risk of chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, example, colon and breast cancer, and metabolic syndrome. Improved mental health. Exercise is known to boost mood, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and enhance overall mental well-being. It stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. Better cognitive function. Physical activity has been associated with improved cognitive function, memory, and attention. It may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Increased energy levels. Engaging in regular exercise can increase energy levels and combat feelings of fatigue and lethargy. It improves sleep quality, leading to better overall energy and vitality. Stress reduction. Exercise can be an effective stress reliever. It helps reduce cortisol, stress hormone, levels, promotes relaxation, and provides a healthy outlet for managing stress. Improved quality of life. Regular exercise contributes to an overall better quality of life by enhancing physical fitness, mental well-being, and daily functioning.